Non-native speakers like us, when we speak, we use normal English. And that's why everyone can easily understand that our English level is very basic. But if we use some alternative advanced English, it sounds more natural, like native. Okay, let me give you some example. Stop interfering. You can say, stop meddling. Stop meddling this matter. I can handle it myself. Stop meddling this matter. I can handle it myself. Mind your language. You can say, mind your P's and Q's. Can you please mind your P's and Q's? Okay, if it sounds like American, you can also say, can you please mind your P's and Q's? Can you please mind your P's and Q's? You are making me angry. You are pushing my buttons. You are pushing my buttons. You're always trying to pushing my buttons. You are always trying to pushing my buttons. Stop it. Lay off. Stop it. Lay off. Lay off. Will you? Lay off. Will you? Stop talking about it. Just drop it. Stop talking about it. Just drop it. For me, it's a sensitive issue. Can you please just drop it? For me, it's a sensitive issue. Can you please just drop it? Okay, let's use all those phrases together. For me, it's a sensitive issue. Can you please just drop it? You're always trying to pushing my buttons. Why don't you stop meddling? And I think you should mind your P's and Q's. And now, lay off. Will you?